Hello students of Standard 3rd, welcome you all to DAMOL Public School e-learning class. I am your English teacher Renuka Seshewar. So let us begin our today's online session of English. Today we are going to learn a lesson that is the magic room. It is part 1. This chapter is taken from your English reader. So let's start. Name of the lesson is The Magic Room. Dear students, do you like magic? Yes, me too. So, let us enjoy the magic. It was a wet, rainy day when Poppy looked out of the window at the rain and thought about her parents. Have you seen this picture? Yes, this is Poppy, the name of a girl. It was a wet rainy day when Poppy looked out of the window at the rain and she was thinking about her parents because her parents are not with her. They were on a long holiday traveling round the world. They said that Poppy was too young to go and so she was staying with her Aunt Bella in her funny old house with lots of rooms and strange noises. Strange it means unexpected or we can say that you haven't seen before. So Poppy was all alone with her aunt because her parents are not with her because they were traveling around the world. Poppy felt bored as she was all alone in the big house. She was feeling very bored because she was alone with her aunt because her parents were traveling around the world and because Poppy was so young that's why she was not going with them. Aunt Bella had gone out to visit one of her friends. It was now raining hard because that was a very rainy day. So Poppy could not even go out. She went upstairs and stood in front of a locked room. She looked around. A rusted key lay on a small table in the corner. Rusted it means rust brown, a reddish brown color similar to the color of rust. So a rusted key lay on a small table in the corner. The lock was rusted too. She decided to open the room and go in, her heartbeat turning fast. As she turned the key, it was difficult, but it moved. Because that lock was rusted, she heard a click and the door opened as if by magic. She has done nothing. The door was clicked and opened automatically. Poppy stepped into the strangest room she had ever seen. Stepped it means move into. She moved inside. In that strangest room she had ever seen. She had never seen in her life such type of mysterious and magical room. The walls were decorated and sparkly silver and gold stars and moons. Sparkly it means flickers or we can say to shine with many small points of light. So the walls were decorated with sparkly silver and gold stars and moons but were changing colors very fast. The furniture like a series. The furniture was strange too. On the left was a sofa but it wasn't on the floor. It was hanging in the air and moved around on the ceiling. Poppy sat on one of the chairs lying on the floor in the center of the room. As you can see in the picture, the strange things. The sofa was moving on the surface, okay, on the air. It was hanging in the air. It wasn't on the floor. And around it was moving around on the ceiling. Immediately the table in front got covered with delicious food. Delicious it means very tasty. Cakes, pizzas, cold drinks, and ice creams. Poppy took a cake and tasted it. Yummy! Heavenly! It tastes out of this world. That cake was very tasty. She had never eaten it before. As Poppy sat, enjoying the food, the walls that were changing colors became dark and dark. The room was filled with a light, mysterious darkness. Mysterious, it means something that is strange that we do not understand. Very dangerous, and darkness appeared there. She switched on the gold lamp next to the table. As she did so, she heard a sound. Whoosh! And the room was filled with smoke. Everywhere there is a smoke. For a while, she couldn't see anything. As she smoke settled down, she saw a figure appear, and one unknown person, a boy, that is a boy, who appeared in front of her. And then she saw it was a boy. Dear students, this is the part 1 of the story. We will discuss its part 2 in our next session. Now it is your homework time. So let us see what is today's homework. This is your assignment. Look at here, question number D6. Draw lines to match the given words with their meaning. Okay, there is two column A, column B. Okay, the two sides has been given here. So what you will do, you have to be match one pair of words to the another one. In the next column, the meaning of the words is given. So you have to be matched with their appropriate meaning. See, the first one is done for you. See the example. The first word is mysterious. Okay, what does it mean? Mysterious, it means something strange that we do not understand. And the next example is expensive. Expensive, it means costing a lot of money. In this way, you have to be do this question. Now see, question number D7. Now fill in the blank with the above words. Okay, whatever you will match here with the pair of appropriate pair of these words with the words with their meaning. After that, the words which is used in column A, with this word you will fill the blanks of question number D7. For example, see the first word mysterious. Okay, so mysterious, this word will be used in which question? In question number 3 in the filling the blanks. We heard some mysterious noise coming from inside the house. As we have used number 2 expensive word, where it will be suit? Yes, it will be appropriate for question number 4. See, my mother is not fond of wearing expensive jewelry. In this way, all the assignments, all the questions you will write in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day. We will discuss its second part in our next session. Till then, bye bye.